married, propose to someone, have a baby, this is the time for you. So sino nagsisimula mag-married or mag-propose? You haven't proposed yet? If you haven't proposed, you better propose now.
Oh my God.
Yes! This is a good year. Okay. Now, who are the rats? Ipahuli ba natin si Rat? Ay, pahuli si Rat? Ay, okay. Kasi kaaway kami Rat siguro. So, pahuli natin si Rat. Okay, so what do you want to know? More good news or more bad news?
Good news! Only the good stuff.
Okay, good news lang. I'm gonna give you a very, very brief summary of the World of Feng Shui forecast. If you want to know more about your forecast, there are books out there. My books is there. So let's begin with the ox. The ox, okay, the ox are the wealthier people last year. Okay? Yung mga balalo, di ba may pera? Yes? He cannot confirm. Richard cannot confirm or deny. The ox and the tiger are the wealthiest sign last year. Okay? So for this year, success luck is very strong as well. So it's a very good sign. The wealth is good, but be very conservative in spending. So maybe expansion is something that you have to reconsider if it's a very big thing to do. And then the health is very strong. So again, the ox is actually very good. So your luck from last year continues to this year. Okay, hooray to the ox. Next are the tiger. The tiger, the money, luck is good. But unfortunately, you have to work hard for it. So it's not like the same as the ox, that the opportunity of wealth is there. Okay, sino ba mga tiger? Rusan is a tiger. Andon is a tiger. Okay. It is also advised that you have to avoid mga yin places, like visiting sick people, going to a grave, because the more the negative energy, you're very prone into getting more of the negative energy. Okay? Now, your wealth, you are expected to have good sources of income. But yun na nga, you have to work hard for it. Hi, Timmy.
Hello,
Good to see you.
Hello.
My ally, dragon ally. Okay, next is the dragon. Ay, hindi, rabbit muna. Saan si rabbit?
Tessa.
Rabbit, Tessa. Okay, this is a victorious year with excellent success luck. The wealth is excellent. The health is poor. But don't worry, Tessa is doing a lot of her yoga and Pilates and all the relevant health energizing thing to do. So she's gonna be fine. Okay, dragon! Or the dragon! The wealth is good. Something huge is coming your way. Wow! Yes, wealth. However, you will tend to become grumpy and irritable. So have a very long patience. Okay? You have to wear a lot of red. Dragon red to subdue the anger. Or you have to wear the peace amulet. Kanina, I think maluay. Yeah, the peace. I gave you the other one already. Meron na siya. I gave her one. Okay, the snake. Last year. Okay, I think I have to move here. The snake, you are blessed with heaven's luck. Heaven's luck meaning, windfall, something from heaven. Unexpected. Baka may manang parating. Ay! Yes, maybe. Okay. And then wealth is good. Success is excellent. Okay, you just have to be feeling like kunyari parang claustrophobic. So if you're in a relationship with a snake person, your partner may be feeling that, the relationship is a bit claustrophobic. So give room to each other a bit. Okay?
It's not already.
You do? Okay, so that's for the snake. The next one is the horse. For the horse. Okay.
Horse.
Two horses. The horse people are going to be looking very attractive to the opposite sex. Okay? So you'll be drawn to each other.
Same sex din daw.
Why not? Of course. Yes, it is. Okay, the wealth is excellent. Actually, if you want to know your best months, bad months, it's all in the chart there at the back. Okay, you can ask them. Health, you just have to be careful as well with health. So there's just a bit of an issue there with the health. Okay, so horse.
Okay, those that are sneaking away, get your free tikoy outside. But there's tikoy on the way there. I'd like to thank Tikoy, Filipino.
Tigoy Express.
Parang gano'n. Okay, go.
Tessa,
Okay,
with your
okay.
dragons, with your dragons, with your dragons.
The next one are the sheep-born people. The sheep. The last 2 years, the sheep is a bit bumpy. Okay, not too good. But this year, the sheep is the star of the year. Yes. Sila mga sheep. Okay, listen now to the sheep. Relationship is, they become ultra-magnetic. Grabe. The wealth couldn't be better. Health is excellent. Success is very strong. So we now have to go and make a lot of friends with sheep-born people. If you want everything to succeed, align yourself with good energies for the year. Are you sheep? Okay, this is your year. Now, do not waste your year, huh? Do you know that when you are the star of the year, it only happens once in every 9 years? So, this is actually a make it or a break it year. So, don't waste it.
Then, when you're always with the sheep, you get hawa with your luck.
Because you make hawa. The question of team is if you are always with the sheep, you make hawa with the luck. Simply because they have very positive, strong energy. So you go. Okay, monkey. The monkeys. Who are the monkeys? The monkeys. You are a rock star. Wow.
They are what? They are what?
The rock star of the year. But because you're very famous, some people may be jealous of you. Hayaan mo na sila. Okay? The monkey can also expect a lot of wealth and very good in career. Okay, very good. Monkey. Next is the rooster. The rooster.
Blackouts.
The rooster, Malu, has a growing year for money, business, and if you wanna do some spiritual matters. So you know, do some spiritual. So baka you go for like mga pilgrimage. Yeah, this is the time for you to go for pilgrimage. Africa, Burma, India, Kathmandu, we go there. Okay. Wealth is excellent. Success is excellent. The health is a bit low. Health. So health. This year, the health is really going to affect a lot of people. Okay? The love is excellent. It's just up to you how to make use of your luck for the year. Okay, the next one is the dog. Yes. The dog, on the other hand, the health is very strong. Okay? But the wealth, be careful because of cash flow problems. So wag kang magpapautang kasi baka hindi ka mabayaran. Don't lend money. Okay? For your pangontras and pampaswerte, you can ask the guys from the bank or you can visit the World of Feng Shui or you can visit online prosperitymall.com. Yeah, dog. The dog, the health is very strong. but there could be issue with cash flow problems. Yes. Okay, and then for the poor, the health also is very strong. If you wanna venture into something, the success luck is very good. But the wealth is a bit low. Average lang siya. Okay? So, super average lang siya. So, anyways, if you have further questions, nasa na si Tessa? Teddy? Nasa ni Teddy?